I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen.
I wash my hands. I wash my hands.
I put on my apron. I put on my apron.
I open the fridge.
I
Open the fridge.
I take out some chicken.
I take out some chicken. I wash the chicken. I wash the chicken.
I cut the chicken. I cut the chicken. I coat the chicken with flour. I coat the chicken. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I heat the oil. I heat the oil.
I fry the chicken. I fry chicken.
I smell the good food. I smell the good food. I put the chicken on a plate. I put the chicken on a plate. I set the table. I set the table.
I eat my fried chicken.
I eat my fried chicken. I love fried chicken. I love fried chicken.
All sentences are in the free PDF. Download and practice with me in 10 minutes a day.